Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Sennheiser e835 wireless bundle microphone. Whether you're a live performer, a podcaster, or a home studio enthusiast, this microphone promises to deliver exceptional sound quality and reliability. Design build quality. The e835 microphone features a sleek, all-metal construction, ensuring durability for both studio and live settings. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making extended use effortless. The cardioid pickup pattern effectively isolates your voice, minimizing background noise and feedback, ideal for dynamic performance environments. Sound quality. Equipped with a neodymium ferrous magnet, the e835 delivers a clear, bright sound with a slight presence boost around 5 kHz, enhancing vocal clarity without harshness. Its wide frequency response, 40 Hz to 16 kHz, captures the full range of the human voice, from deep lows to sparkling highs. Overall, the Sennheiser e835 wireless bundle microphone stands out as a versatile, high-quality option for vocal performances. Its combination of clear sound, durable build, and reliable wireless performance make it a valuable addition to any audio setup. Thank you so much.